Artificial intelligence has become a hot topic, but with that buzz comes a fair share of myths. One common misconception is that AI can think and feel like humans. In reality, AI lacks consciousness and emotions. It processes data and makes decisions based purely on algorithms. Another myth is that AI will take all our jobs. While it's true that automation may replace some roles, it will also create new opportunities and partnerships. Let's not forget the fear that AI can become uncontrollable. The truth is, AI systems work under strict human-defined parameters and guidelines. They don't have desires or ambitions of their own. Many believe that AI learns and evolves on its own, but this isn't accurate. AI improves through data input and human oversight, requiring constant monitoring. A further myth is that AI is infallible. Like any technology, it can make mistakes, and it relies heavily on the quality of the data it's trained on. Lastly, people often think that AI is only for tech giants. In fact, AI tools are becoming accessible for businesses of all sizes, democratizing innovation. Understanding these myths is crucial as we navigate the future of technology.